The Zoom F3 is the most advanced, best interface ever made for the consumer market. But let's not take my word for it, or the size difference word for it, or the fact I don't need to be stuck to a PC to record. In fact, I'm recording my microphone right now that I'm speaking through, connected, line out to my PC. In fact, we can connect it to anything. Let me show you just how great this is. It's possible, 48 volts phantom power at the right adapter. And I simply connected the adapter for guitar right in here, the 1/4 inch, and this part to the Zoom F3, 48 volts phantom power, not a problem. How to connect a mobile phone to line out. There are two ways to do this. Line out itself is the way that's going to allow clipping, but it's the very simple method, and use a regular stereo cable, not one of 3 lines, a regular stereo cable. We use line out. Your phone might work directly, but if you don't have open camera or the Shure Motive app, and your audio is going to either probably be hissy or not be worked through your microphone. Right now I'm using my mobile phone connected line out to my Zoom F3. How am I coming through? And I'm using my AT4040 from Audio Technica as my microphone. I simply get a USB cable to the phone. There's no special trick to this. So for PC Android, I'm going to choose an audio interface. Here we go. We have the Zoom F3 connected. I'm going to press record. This is Eric of Not BIOS. How am I coming through using my mobile phone, recording me, and using this microphone with my Zoom F3 audio interface. And there are many different ways to power this. This is the one from Zoom itself, model on this, right there. And this is connecting through USB connection on the other side to this device. And this gives you wall power, so you don't have to worry. Though, what if you're on the go? Well, you can use a battery bank. This one has a switch, so I know it's on definitively. The lights just simply remain on. So the best method I found for connecting a 3.5mm jack is simply using this DD V-Link, right, that we see here. That's XLR, so I connect it to my XLR right here, and I run with 48 volts phantom power. Next, I connect my microphone right here to this 3.5mm jack, and I can actually input that audio. Right now I have my X-Vive U5 connected right here, and I have it connected to my Zoom F3, connected to my camera right now, directly to my camera. So this way, if you're lazy like I like to be lazy, you can restore your clipped audio recording internally. So right now I have to be clipping pretty much for certain. We can see the audio waveforms right here, and I can restore this, and I won't clip with a 32-bit recording, take it to the PC, line up my audio, and fix it. And that's how you can save your audio from a microphone that doesn't even belong in this device. I have my Zoom F3 right here. I just made this into a selfie device. I can use this with any microphone. It doesn't have to be my microphone right here. I can have a travel microphone connected to my camera, be it the XLR to 3.5mm, or an XLR, and making a travel microphone. In fact, I can connect my Sennheiser MKE600 and have it connected here and skip the battery power to camera. There you go. We can see I have mono or stereo. So right now we're both speakers, and if I go down and choose OK, now we're one speaker only. So that gives you your left and right channel, or both together, by having one mic in place. When it comes to using Bluetooth through the phone, we can see the actual lines of me speaking on this microphone, and we see this microphone, which is not connected right now. I can also turn it off, I believe, with a touch of a button. Let's go right here. And now you should be hearing me again. Through this menu here, I can set the mic if I want it to have phantom power or not, and the source, if it's a 48+ volt source. And then we have our high pass filter if we want to have it on, and what we want to have it on at, or if we want to have it off. Let's turn it on. So if I have, say, a webcam or whatever, and I need a delay because the voice and the image is not aligning, I can delay my output. Standard USB Type-C cable is not a problem. So for mounting, this is standard thread size. This is 1/4 inch by 20, and that is standard smaller threads. That's the bigger size, and there's the smaller size. See right here, we have threaded on. This allows me to mount it onto my mounting arms that I've used in my videos. Now we saw that the light came on for this, and I'm going to turn the volume down. So I'm going to move this audio of this microphone to my 32-bit float, recorded to PC right now as we speak. So now we should be to the PC. I cannot make this clip. A lot of people try to claim they can, but is it clipping? Or is it their lousy microphone that can't take the sound pressure? This particular microphone can take like 150 some decibels of sound pressure. Right now my mobile phone is actually powering my Zoom F3 and it's actually connected to this interface. And we have a nice small setup with my camera if I use it with my camera, or I can simply connect it to some sort of stand with the 1/4 inch, well, connection at the back end, which makes it very, very convenient. And to verify, am I using this microphone with my mobile phone? Well, let's check that out. Of course I am. You can see right here, the connection. This is Eric of Not BIOS Tech and Reviews. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day.